Hello dear friends, welcome back to your own YouTube channel Civil Engineer. Today we are going to discuss all important details about grades of concrete. So watch the video full and do not forget to like this video. Let's start today's discussion. First we will discuss what is concrete. A mix or paste obtained by mixing cement, sand, coarse aggregate or crushed stones and water in definite proportion is known as concrete. The strength of concrete is determined by the proportion by which these ingredients are mixed. Keeping other factors constant, the strength of concrete is directly proportional to the quantity of cement in a concrete. Now we will discuss what is grade of concrete. Grade of concrete is defined as the minimum strength of concrete at 28 days of construction with proper quality control. Concrete grades are denoted by M followed by a number like M7.5 concrete, M10 M15 M20 M25 and so on. Here this M represents concrete mix design or concrete mix, while the number following denotes the compressive strength of concrete in Newton per millimeter square. For example, M20 grade concrete means a concrete mix having 28 days characteristic strength of 20 Newton per millimeter square. Here you can see that this M represents concrete mix and this number represents compressive strength of concrete in Newton per millimeter square after 28 days. So M20 grade of concrete is the concrete having compressive strength after 28 days is 20 Newton per millimeter square. Each concrete grade have different and its own ratio. Like for M20 grade concrete, ratio is 1:1.5:3. Here the first number is always 1 and it represents the quantity or ratio of cement. The second number represents ratio or quantity of sand or fine aggregate, and the last third number represents the quantity or composition of crushed stones or coarse aggregates. Concrete mix ratios and 28 days compressive strength in Newton per millimeter square for different grades of concrete are shown in this table. Here you can see that M5 to M20 grades are categorized into ordinary concrete, M25 to M50 are standard concrete, and concrete from M55 to M70 are high strength concrete. Here the ratio of each grade of concretes are given up to M25 grade concrete. For M25 grade concrete its ratio is 1:1:2. For onward grades of concrete you have to provide a design mix. According to codes, the minimum grade of concrete recommended for RCC work is M20 grade concrete, and the minimum grade of concrete recommended for structural PCC work is M15 grade of concrete. It was all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video full. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any question, please write it in comment box. I will try to answer the question soon. Thank you very much.